There's a lot of misconceptions about mycotoxins when it comes to mold remediation, and how it affects our health. Also, they're called mycotoxins, not microtoxins, so if somebody calls them microtoxins because they're little, stop listening. Mycotoxins are a chemical that mold secretes in order to perform chemical warfare on neighboring mold colonies, or if it feels threatened, as self-defense. That's why a lot of times we find mycotoxins in food. When we store our food, like corn, in a big silo, you've actually introduced a ton of different mold species and tons of different mold colonies together, and they want to fight it out for that great mold food. Well, much the same in the house. If you have mold colonies that reach each other, or we try to chemically kill mold, we're going to threaten that mold, and it's going to release mycotoxins. Those chemicals actually seep onto the mold colony, and sometimes the surfaces around them, making that a hazard to our health. A lot of times during a remediation or a cleaning process, we dry out a colony, and that colony gets broken up and gone airborne, and now there's mycotoxins that we can introduce into our respirations in the air because it's attached to that dried out mold colony. Unfortunately, companies have started claiming to be able to kill a mycotoxin. Well, it's not a living thing, so we don't kill it. Second, they start talking about mycotoxins actually colonizing and growing new mold. Mycotoxins are not mold seeds. They don't grow new colonies. That's the job of the spore. So, what you need to do is make sure that you understand what a mycotoxin is, what a spore is, what mycelium are, so that you understand if somebody comes into your house and starts using these words to try to scare you into doing something that you don't have to do, or protecting your family, you know that it's a red flag, and you know how to actually handle the situation.